Alright, hi. On set with James Bridekirk again. Today a commercial for a product called Cola, which I hadn't actually heard of before, but it's a plumbing company, but a very nice one. I looked them up on the internet and they have really top quality equipment. So yeah, check them out. Kohler, I think. So here we are at Barrandov Studios in Prague. So here's our little sign there. Alright. You'll have to forgive me for not jumping out of the car because it's snowing and -3. So let's go in there. We're going to be going into Still King Productions and we will be on one of the studio lots. So, alright, see you soon. Ciao. So here we are. This is the studio that we'll be in today. And over here is Still King Productions. Alright, in here getting wardrobe and hair and makeup. I won't film myself because I'm not very pretty, but I'll film over here. Vandula is getting her hair done. The makeup lady. Alright, so here we are on the set. You can see this is kind of what it looks like behind. A lot of wooden panels, and I'll try and zoom in over here. You can see they're getting ready for the shot there.
Right. Yes, mate. Yeah, okay, okay. Tak jo, a pojedeme to s hudbou, jo? Po celou dobu. Budeme to
obě ty fráze mám dát? Co? Mám dát obě ty fráze? Mám ještě jednu zatím. Aha.
Scott, we can fix it in post too. That shadow.
Yeah, it's fixed now. Okay, so
here we have the shot lists, the flushing toilets and stuff. Walking out, and where's my one? Here. And this guy. Going to be into it. And here is all the people that are in the commercials. So handsome chap is me. Alright, so this is where I'm going to be filming, so let's have a look. Suddenly we're in a house, so we'll go into here. There's a nice boat. And here's going to be my bathroom. Very nice. Hello. So we'll be filming here, and look at it. We'll walk straight out, back onto the set.
Sound speed.
Playback.
I still think
Prosím, quiet please. Jako kamera.
Točíme nebo zkoušíme?
Ne, budeme točit asi, co? Jo. Tak, ticho prosím, kamera. Ano, stejný. Playback.
Kde?
Akce.
My only problem with this is my
Alright, so here I am in my outfit for the cola commercial. Very businesslike. And over here, oh, I was in this shirt. But there was concerns that it was going to make people's eyes funny. So they swapped. Out the back here we got some drinks and stuff, and that's the ad.wmv, and here's the catering van, and everybody's in here chowing down. Let's go and get some lunch. Now we've got a scene with a young boy flushing a toilet.
I just learned choreography. Yes.
Ticho, prosím, quiet, please.
Just do it.
Venco, slyším. Obrázek je dobrý. Je dobrý obrázek, který tomu se baví. Tak. Tam ten watchman.
Stand by and for video, camera. And action. Camera, turn over. And action. Usmíj se. A stop. Stopli jsme.
So it's 6 o'clock. I started at 1 and 6 o'clock. I've just been wrapped so I can go home, but I'm just going to hang out an extra 30 minutes. I want to watch this next scene that they're setting up with the guys coming out of the toilets over here. Pretty soon there's going to be 8 guys bursting out of this toilet. These toilets. There you go. And they're going to be going, na na, na 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 na, hey hey hey, goodbye. That should be quite funny. So these guys are just setting up the toilet shot. DOP, director, waiting. And here's our guys waiting to go and get to their cubicles.
He's taller than me, but not
Just got some guys here cleaning the floor.
I'll have to try it because I'm losing
You see them on the
Yeah, they're
camera
very
there
talented.
cleaning.
Is so clean.
Sound speed.
Neříkám akce, jo, to budete sami. Playback.
Good luck, studio.
Doesn't he?
What are you doing? Close that door. What's going on?
Video, kamera.
Sound speed.
Playback.
Home video.
Cut.
That's it for the end of the cold camp. Took 5 hours in total and didn't get to film myself as much as I'd like, but had the opportunity to film lots of other people. So let's put this together and I hope you enjoy it. See you soon on Set with James.